Okay, so I'm gonna just start by trying to get a sketch of I don't know if this is gonna be easy or not. I may just sketch one out. I am gonna paint just a little bit. So just kind of coming down right here. All right, now I just want just a hint of this green. Is there anything on this brush? This paint is so pigmented. This is a little bit on, you know, how you blend, y'all. You just take your two colors together and add a little water. Gotta get it, you know, with these kind of paints, with chalk paints, you gotta use water. Okay, like that. This was Monet's Garden, by the way, just a dark green, mixed it with white. Just hoping it'll kind of, yeah, just coordinate with these. Now my green glass is really small. I thought I had some more. I thought I had some bags of it, but I guess I've used it. But oh, I do. I have really giant green glass. That's right. But y'all, you know when you get them and they're big. Remember I said if you order them, kind of order the 1/4 inch. I think this was a 1/2 inch. Look how big those are. But I think you can hit them with the hammer and kind of get them smaller. But I kind of wanted that. Let me see. Let me try this, y'all. I do. I have a really big bag of this, but they're big. Oh, this isn't good without, I don't want glass going everywhere. See? And now I have the pieces like I like. Ooh, that is sharp though, y'all. So I may do that. I may just mix up some. Sometimes they break too. Okay, the blue. I'm gonna get all of these out because I may mix my sizes. I don't know. Go with this one. Probably I'm gonna move it up a little. You know, I probably don't need to draw all these. I could just do this with a paintbrush. But I'll just get it in the right vicinity, I guess. All right, that's good enough. And I just used the chalk method. You saw how I just traced it on there. So, let's see. So this is pale gold I'm using, if anybody wants to know. It's Paint Couture's gold. So it's not just for highlighting. It really is, it has good coverage. I think I'm gonna mix them. Just get some of the little ones out. This is just as cute as it can be. I need to come out just a bit from the branches. Just trying not to make it totally, I don't want it just round. All right. Now, we'll put a little bit at the bottom. Flat. Y'all try to find something flat to set it on or either get it level. Remember, this usually takes 3 minutes. So you do your your glass first, and just make sure, kind of somehow go in a little pattern so you'll know that you have them all down, all covered. I usually just use my hand here, my glove, but I'm just going to see what I can do with this. And it'll self-level, so you don't have to get it all, you know, just totally smooth. Hopefully it will be, but it'll self-level. Just try to make sure it's on something somewhat level so it doesn't run off. Pretty smooth. Check my corners. I was off on some corners. Now I'm gonna take, I like to just put some on my hands here. I'm just gonna run it along the side. It may already have some. Check underneath. I want the sides to, you know, look good too. Keep going. I see tons of bubbles. I hope this pop them out. Oh wow, love it. Love it. Okay, ladies. This was fun. I loved this one. Loved it. Okay. So, let me know if you have any questions, of course. And we'll talk soon. All right. Have a great weekend, and I'll see y'all soon.